In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Xbox Game Bar not working in Windows 11.
First open Start and type Settings. Open your settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Go to Windows Store Apps. Click on Run. Wait for your store to be repaired. If that didn't work, first open Start and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Wait for the Windows Store to be repaired. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed. Now your problem should be fixed.